Hey guys, welcome back. A few small packages to open, so let's dive just right into it. We'll start with this one. It says nothing, so it's a surprise what's in there. It usually is a surprise because not always does the description match the contents, but still, this is even more a surprise. So these are 5 pieces FS312F-G 1-cell lithium-ion battery protection ICs. I'm currently working on a project which needed to protect a battery from over-discharging and over-current. And these ICs do just that. Next up, it says capacitors. And they are just capacitors. I believe these are 0603 capacitors, and it says on the tape they are 4.7 microfarads. Next, again, nothing is written on there. I believe actually there is, but it's underneath this sticker. So again, a surprise. These are some micro USB connectors to be mounted on a PCB. Let's see if I can get one out. This is quite badly damaged. I hope it's just the packaging. Let's see if I can get one out. There we go. Let's get in a bit closer. So these are, I believe, 10 pieces of these surface mount micro USB connectors. And these are the surface mount type, which only have 2 little, what do you call them, pegs, which do not really penetrate the board. And also the connection to the board itself is surface mounted. And that's what I needed, because on the other side of the board there is a few traces, and I wanted to keep it as flush as I can. And the PCB is already ordered, so I hope these will fit. We'll have to wait and see. Next up, again, the description of contents is underneath the shipping sticker. So another big surprise waiting for me. And again, some SMD components. Let's get one out. And this is a DW01. Again, it's a battery protection IC. Only the difference is that this has an over discharge voltage of 2.4 volts, which is quite low. The other one, the FS312F I just showed, that has a over discharge protection of 2.9 volts, which in my opinion is just a little bit safer. So here they are side by side. They both have the same footprint and the same pinout. So on my new PCB, I'm gonna try both and see which one I like best. So that was kind of annoying. The battery on my phone, which I'm using to record these videos, died. So I had to start over. I was in the process of opening this one. I still have no idea what's inside. Again, some ICs. So this is a FS8205A, which is a dual N-channel enhancement power MOSFET. And the 2 protection ICs we saw earlier, they use 2 MOSFETs to switch on and off the charging and discharging of the battery. And this is a dual MOSFET, just 2 MOSFETs in one package. Next one, this says Inductor 10 times. So these are some 22 microhenry inductors. They are shielded, and I bought the CDR-H104R type, which has, let's just get one out, which have this footprint. I thought that would be the easiest to either reflow or just solder by hand with a soldering iron. I ordered the PCBs already, Still waiting for the PCBs, but now I have these. There's another package of inductors, so let's open that while we're at it. So these are two types. These are the through-hole type inductors, and these are surface mount. I'm just gonna try and get a few out. So this is the CDRH104R, and this is a different package. The difference is, of course, this one's not shielded. You can see the enameled copper wire. This one is, and this is just an assortment of values. Actually, I wanted these. These just came with it. I wanted to do some testing of noise because these inductors do generate noise, and because I want to use it in an audio application. And although I don't believe it's possible to get rid of all the noise an inductor makes, I do want to try if I can minimize it, and when it's there, at least when it's there, it's above the audible range, so it doesn't affect the audio. I'm going to test that as well. And I'm going to do some breadboarding with this, which might not be the same as when I'm using them on a PCB. So this is the value I need for an MT3608 chip. But I'm just going to try with some different values on a breadboard and see if that has any effect on the noise it makes. And these are today's Postbag items. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, hit the like button, and you can always leave a comment and I'll try to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.